and welcome to my portfolio. I'm Katie, a second-year student in the Master of Arts in Professional Communication program at Clemson University. I'm looking forward to showing you around my portfolio, so let's get started. In this introduction video, I will discuss the following as they are relevant to my portfolio: the design rationale, the 6 competencies of the MAPC program, and my client project titled Pearce Center for Professional Communication Internship Development Plan. This portfolio was created as part of the requirements for the MAPC degree, and it features a collection of select projects completed during my time in the program. Let's begin on my portfolio homepage. Take a look at the navigation bar. You'll see the following tabs: Home, About, MAPC Competencies, Works Cited, and Contact. The About page features the design rationale for this portfolio, and I'll briefly highlight that now. Goals of this portfolio are that it showcase my knowledge of design and usability, highlight my personality, and feature my professional assets. To do so, it was vital that I present the information in a persuasive, visually appealing, and effective way. I make intentional choices in layout, typography, colors, and overall style, and I rely on principles of usability. The overall design of this portfolio showcases Jesse James Garrett's conceptual framework of website design and employs his suggestion for building the 5 planes from bottom to top. For more information on my design rationale, please see this section on the About page. The highlighted work, in addition to the construction of the portfolio itself, demonstrates my fulfillment of the 6 core competencies of the MAPC program: visual communication, scholarship and empirical research design, rhetorical theory, professional communication, and technological and media production literacies. The 6th competency, writing and editing, is demonstrated throughout the portfolio. Each of the remaining 5 competencies features a project that best illustrates the competency with which it is listed. Each portfolio asset is accompanied by a discussion divided into the following 3 sections: rhetorical situation and goals, design and development process, and critical reflection. Users can navigate to these respective pages from the competencies main page. The rhetorical situation and goals section is informed by Lloyd Bitzer's The Rhetorical Situation. As such, it features the project's exigency, the audience for the work, and the constraints under which the work was completed. Design and development provides a narrative explaining how the work was created and details all phases of its development. It also connects relevant works, demonstrating my knowledge of appropriate literature from the MAPC Orals Reading List. Here, users can find drafts and prototypes of each project and learn about the process of revision. The critical reflection section features my observations during the project and also incorporates literature from the reading list. I apply literature to actual practice and establish connections between theory and experience. This section also tells the user what I learned throughout the project. The visual communication competency showcases a project completed in Susan Hilligoss's Fall 2012 Visual Communication Seminar. Representatives from Clemson University's Human Resources Department asked graduate students enrolled in the seminar to create posters advertising Clemson faculty and their love for the university and their positions. Posters were designed for display in Human Resources office. I showcase my proposal for a hypothetical research project involving children and media literacy effects under the Scholarship and Empirical Research page. Written in fulfillment of requirements for Dr. Howard's Spring 2013 Research Methods and Professional Communication Seminar, this project required students to design their own research study after developing strong research questions, preparing an extensive literature review, and describing the methods to be used in the study. My proposal recommends a media literacy educational curriculum to be incorporated in a pre-existing children's summer camp program. The rhetorical theory competency addresses my ability to apply classical and modern rhetorical theory to contemporary communication practices. I highlight my final multimodal project, which compares 2 apparently unrelated discourses, politics and sports, and argues that these fields are united through their similarities of classical rhetoric. The technological and media production literacies competency showcases a how-to instructional video I created in Susan Hilligoss's Visual Communication Seminar. The video features my dad, a craftsman, and he provides instructions for painting a picture frame. Both the visual communication and technological and media production literacies competency pages also provide users with additional examples of work that are illustrative of those competencies. Users will find my mapc client project underneath the professional communication competency, titled Pierce Center for Professional Communication Internship Development Plan. This project was completed for client Ashley Cowden-Fisk, Pierce Center Assistant Director. The project serves as an organizational text or documentary product, according to Carol Birkencotter. My deliverable documents current procedures of the internship program, reflects on their effectiveness, and proposes recommendations for future implementation. I encourage you to read more about this client project on the professional communication page. This concludes the introduction for my mapc portfolio. I've appreciated all your support throughout the mapc program, and I certainly hope you enjoy this collection of my work.